Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Spring is here and that means fresh seasonal produce is in abundance. Today I'm at my local grocery store checking out what's in season for juicing. First up is strawberries. They're sweet, vibrant, and packed with antioxidants. These make a great addition to any juice blend. Next is grapefruit. They're tangy, refreshing, and loaded with immune boosting vitamin C. Pineapples are also in season, bringing natural sweetness and digestive benefits. Carrots are a staple in my juices. They're rich in beta carotene and perfect for a vibrant, slightly sweet flavor. Cucumbers are my go-to for hydration, keeping my juices light and refreshing. Bell peppers add a unique, subtle sweetness and a boost of vitamins A and C. And finally, spinach packed with iron and essential nutrients to fuel your body. I put together a free guide highlighting the top 10 produce to juice. Click the link in the description box to download it now. Now that I'm back home, it's time to batch juice. I've already prepped and washed my carrots and cucumbers. Now I'm slicing up my grapefruit, lemons, and ginger, and off camera, I'm also giving my spinach a good rinse. Batch juicing is such a lifesaver if you want fresh juice on hand throughout the week without juicing every single day. Plus, it saves time and keeps you on track with your juicing goals. Let's get juicing. I always start with my carrots since they help push softer produce through the juicer. Next, I alternate between cucumbers, grapefruit, lemon, ginger, and spinach to keep everything flowing smoothly. If you're new to juicing, don't forget, slow and steady wins the race. Let your juicer do the work to extract as much liquid as possible from your produce. As you can see, the pulp is nice and dry, which means we're getting the most out of our ingredients. By the way, all my juicing essentials, including my juicer and storage jars, are linked in the description box below. Now look at that fresh, vibrant juice flowing out. This blend is packed with nutrients, hydration, and a delicious balance of sweet and citrusy flavors. I like to strain my juice just to make sure I remove any extra pulp. This step is totally optional, but if you prefer a smoother texture, it's worth the extra few seconds. And now it's time to store our fresh juice. I'm pouring my spring slimmer juice into 3 16-ounce mason jars, which helps keep it fresh in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. If you're ready to take your juice into the next level, please check out my Juice Reset ebook and my free juice fast schedule plan. They're designed to help you stay on track and make the most of your juicing journey. To make this spring slimmer juice once a day for 14 days, I've included the full grocery list in the description box. And don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more juicing tips, weight loss updates, and lifestyle content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.